Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the Prestige Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner in the shade Smoky Green, and this is one of the products that I got in my July 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you haven't seen that unbagging yet, that is up here on YouTube. This is a brand that I'm not familiar with and I'm very intrigued by it. I love trying out new makeup brands, especially affordable ones. This full-size product retails for $8. And although I'm not always so excited to get eyeliners in Ipsy, I am excited about this because of the fact that it's in this smoky green shade. And I have green eyes, so I like to use green eyeliner. It's waterproof, so it says it's supposed to not budge, smudge proof, ultra pigmented. So it sounds like everything I look for in an eyeliner. And so it just twists up. I'm going to start out with a swatch. I think it kind of looks like it has a little sparkle to it. It does slightly have like green shimmer to it, but it's kind of hard to see in the actual product. And this is actually a really nice shade of green. It is darker, so I feel like it might come across almost like a black eyeliner, but I'm very excited to see how this is going to be. It's got good pigment, seems gentle and glides on, so it shouldn't be poking the eye or anything. And since it's smudge proof, maybe I need to give it a little bit of time before it can be smudge proof, because that's definitely smudging. I'm going to do a separate swatch so that I can come back to it after I give it a little bit of time to set down and see if it smudges. But let's go ahead and see how this is on my eye. I'm going to try putting this on the lower lash line in the waterline to start, and we'll see if it actually sticks on the waterline. It does draw onto the waterline, but we'll see if it actually stays. I'm also going to line the lash line here. That definitely looks like a black eyeliner. And it's already come off the waterline. But maybe so that I can try and just see more of the color, maybe have it not look so much like a black eyeliner, I'm going to try applying it to the upper lash line here. Yeah, it definitely doesn't poke the eye, glides on nicely, good pigment. You can slightly see the sparkle to it, which I like. I don't know, it's really hard to tell that it's green. Like, you kind of have to know it's a smoky green shade to notice that it's green. Like, it almost is like an optical illusion to me because it looks like a charcoal, like gray black color. Even from like close, it doesn't look very green. I don't find it to be really enhancing to my green eyes. I don't really find it to be enhancing to my eye in general. Like, this eye just looks smaller with it lined. So even though it's a nice formula, I just don't think it looks that great on me. So let's see, like maybe it's because I did the lower lash line and that's a little dark for me. On this eye, my eyes are not going to match right now, but this is how I like to do my eyeliner. Let's see how it does. I like to just focus in the outer corner, kind of like outer third of my eyelid. I find that to be the most enhancing to my eye, like quite the difference with it versus without it. And this does work nicely for that because it's not too dark. It still like enhances the eye the way I like it to, and it's very easy to apply. Sometimes I also apply it on the lower lash line just in that same section. Yeah. So you can just see like this eye, how I typically like to do my eyeliner versus fully lining the eye. It all depends on your eye shape, but when I actually do the technique that I typically prefer, I like this. It still just looks more like a black eyeliner, but super comfortable on the eye. I would use this. And this is how I do my daily eyeliner. I would use this as a daily eyeliner. But let's see if it actually is going to be smudge proof. Yes, okay. Good to know. You just gotta let it set and then it really will not smudge. Like, look at that difference, the way it's smudged versus not smudging at all. So, phew, I'm glad about that. And for $8, I think this is a fantastic eyeliner to have in my makeup routine. So yay, I definitely want to try out more from this brand Prestige Cosmetics. So if you've tried any other Prestige Cosmetics products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them, if you have any recommendations of other ones that I should try. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.